Real one here. Well, I've been working on the cart due to the fact that I've had an eye operation and I'm not really allowed to do much. So Anthony's been helping me. So we've added. You might be able to see something. We've added something there. And we've added something there. Now, unfortunately, I'm on by myself, so I can do this, but we'll have to see how we go. So what it is a little table, and you flick it around just like that, and there's a little table. The same on this side. We just pick it up, spin that around, and there you go. So now we have a table each. We can put a drink on, or we can put our bait on, or put the phone on, whatever we want to do, and everything like that. The esky mount is still up the back there. I've got to get around to doing a battery mount yet, but I've made all the bits and pieces for it. Anthony helped me cut it out. Hoon Boy helped me cut it out. So that's all there on the outside. And this side, same deal. So the cost so far is bugger all. I think the whole cart owes me like 25 bucks. And that's pretty much about it. That includes buying miscellaneous crap that I had to buy. Like I had to buy the hinges. I had to buy 6 hinges. The handlebars, a couple of bolts in the front, and that's pretty much about it. Everything else I had and I scavenged, so the box was $5. So I mean the whole thing owes me under 25 bucks. So I'm pretty happy with that. I got the little Mrs. chair out at the moment, so I did that just so I can work on the tables. But there you go, guys. That's looking pretty good. And now we've got something we can put our drinks on. Alrighty, bye for now.